Hello anyone, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching now only Sultan Technical Solution. This is brand new Panasonic automatic washing machine. See, this is brand new. See, this is liquid side, this is powder side, and this mix you can put. So this is level, meaning you fix this new washing machine. Can you see this is level or not? See, maybe if you don't make level, maybe some big problem. That's why he is fixing their level. Now how to fix? See, there is back side. There is two water connection. This is cool water, this is Arabic Barit, and this is hot Sahan mean hot water. And there you see, this is minimum need 220 and maximum need 240 voltage. This maximum capacity is 13 kg, and this is made in Thailand. This is very advanced model. This is brand new. It is 220, minimum need 220 electric voltage. So there I have one socket. I can check there is how much voltage. I press like that because I need to check voltage. See, there is there is 220 voltage is good. And this I have two water connection lead. So this side is cool water. Please, you can check inside this washer for rubber. There I have this angle valve for this cool water. and also I have this hot water. This other angle valve for hot water. So now his connection is ready, water connection is ready, also this electricity is ready, also this drainage for water. See this inside wall, this drainage. So now I open this angle valve and make sure there is no leak. There is no leak. And now I turn back this. Now I put the electricity. Now I switch on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There is power on off. See, there is water level. Now start. See, I put this wash level. See, I again repeat this on off switch. There you can minimum 3 minutes for wash, 6 minutes. Now is water level, the 33 liter. Water is coming. This is working, this is very well. So thank you. If you open this door, this is stop. So thank you very much for watching. Like and share. and please subscribe my channel on the Sultan Technical Solution if you want more technical video. Thank you very much.